Hello and welcome, I'm Burnout Dash, and I'll be bringing you a tutorial on how to create a basic menu in Unreal Engine 4. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a new level, and we're going to open up an empty level. Once we do this, we'll right click, scroll down to user interface, and add a widget blueprint. Then we'll open up our widget, and this is what our main menu is going to look like. So I'm just going to have simple a start button and a stop button, just two buttons. Then, once we've created these, we're going to drag out a text to set the text of each button. And I'm just going to make this simple and put start. And for the bottom one, I'll do quit. Once we've done this, I'll click on the button and we're going to make an event. So now, this is where we're going to actually write the code to do what we want our buttons to do. So if we want to start the game, we're going to want to drag this out and we're going to look up open level. And I'm just going to open up one of the basic example maps. Then I'm going to come back to the designer, click on quit, do the exact same thing, create event, and we'll just do quit game. And this will close the game for us. So now, if we go ahead and we play, we see we still have nothing. We have to actually write the code now to put the viewport onto our level. So we'll come over and open up our level blueprint. Then from here, we're going to go over to event begin play, drag this out, and we're going to create a viewport. And if you just unclick context sensitive, it should come up. So once we get this, we're then going to drag this out. And we'll do create widget. And this is going to create the widget that our viewport's added to. And we're just going to scroll down and choose our widget. And we're going to connect the target to the return value. After we're done with this, we're just going to right click and do get player controller. From here, we're going to drag off set show mouse. This will allow us to actually see our mouse when we're using our menu. So we'll check that and we'll connect that to there. Once we're done with that and we come over and play, you'll notice it's a bit off center. So we have a way to fix this. We come back to the designer, we click on our button and we drag this to the center. We'll do that with both. And when we do that, we come back, we play, we see it comes to the center when we bring it to full screen. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to actually make the menu go away once we start the game. So we're going to come back to our graph, and from here we're going to drag off open level, and we're going to look up remove from viewport. And this will just be remove from parent. Then we'll look up get player controller again, and drag off show mouse. Sorry, we should be setting that. We'll set show mouse and we'll connect this up to here, except we're not going to check this because we want the mouse to go away. So now when we come back, we hit play, we hit start. This jumps us right into our example map and we can begin play. And if we play and we hit quit, it kicks us out of our game. Alright, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.